Hi everyone, I'm Jackson Thanga, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Marafrim College of Engineering and Technology. I welcome you all for my class on testing of materials. Dear students, today we're gonna see about the overview of materials. Overview of materials. In general, the materials are very much close to our culture. Even every civilizations are designated by the level of materials development in the particular period. The development of a society are very much dependent on the available materials and their usage in the period of time. You know, the civilization is categorized as the Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age, Concrete Steel Age, Silicon Age, and now it is Information Age. And all these things are about the usage of materials during the particular period of time. Next, we are going to see how these materials are classified. First, we're going to see about the metals. Metals are good conductors of electricity and heat, and it's susceptible to corrosion, but strong but deformable. And ceramics and glasses. The ceramics and glasses are thermally and electrically insulating, resistant to high temperatures, hard but brittle. And polymers, very large molecules, and it has a low density and low weight, maybe extremely flexible. So here it is given some of the examples of metals, ceramics and glasses, and polymers. And a few additional categories which comes under this classification of materials is biomaterials, semiconductors, and composites. These biomaterials can be implanted in human body compatible with the body tissues, whereas the semiconductors have very good electrical properties between conductors and insulators. Electrical properties can be precisely controlled in the semiconductors. The composites, which consist of more than one type of material designed to display a combination of properties of each component. And it is very important why the study of materials is important. The student should know why, as a mechanical engineer, what for we are going to study materials. What is the need for studying materials? Dear students, an engineer must know how to select a material because you want to design, you want to produce, you want to check the quality of any material, and all these things he should know what is the material, what type of material we can select, how we have to select. So this is very important for an engineer. But a product can be made in a tin or a glass bottle or a plastic bottle, and the choices is based on the application, based on the place where we are using, based on the climate. So all these factors have to be considered while selecting a material. So the study of materials is very much important for a mechanical engineer. This is a very good example because normally students have a craze on automobiles. So, but in general, students broadly think that very minimal part of materials has used in any automobile. But here you could able to see that the glass windows, the plastic tail light lenses, and the tungsten filament for light bulbs, rubber tires, steel frame, lead battery ports, and the wheels made of steel or aluminum, and the copper wiring, ceramic spark plug, cast iron or aluminum engine block, steel or reinforced plastic body, plastic bumpers, dashboards, seats, etc. So guys, this all these things makes you know, makes you have you to bring you a reality that why an engineer, especially a mechanical engineer, should have a knowledge on this material selection, types of materials, how, what are the history beyond the material selection, why the different class civilizations was named based like Stone Age, Bronze Age, and all these things. Why? What for a mechanical engineer? Because if you want to work in automobile field, you should know all these things for selection, even if it is in a design field or a production field or a quality field. All this, the knowledge about the materials help you to select the appropriate material for the particular usage or particular application. So, my dear students, this is the very important topic in the testing of materials is the materials, types of materials, the classification of materials, and the application of materials. Guys, I hope you have understood a base level of the material selection and also the different categories of materials, how the civilization was named based on the usage of materials. We will see with a good topic in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.